Hello students, in this video we will be reading chapter 9 of standard 5 value education. Name of this chapter is good habits. As this chapter says, as the topic of this chapter says, it's all about good habits, how you must follow good habits in your life. Now there is a small warm-up exercise for you. Let's grab it. Now circle the good habits and cross the bad ones. So here getting up early is a good habit, so I have circled it. Throwing garbage into the dustbin is a good habit, so I have circled it. Sleeping late is a bad one, so put a cross mark. Then chatting on phone for a long time is a bad habit. Playing video games for hours is a bad habit. Washing your hands before eating is a good habit. Not brushing your teeth before going to bed is a bad one. Greeting people means saying good morning, good evening, good night, hello, how are you. That is all good habit. It's part of a good habit. Then not offering to help teachers is a bad habit. Playing outdoors every day is a good habit. You should play outdoors instead of sitting inside your house and playing video games. Now keeping your room clean is also a good habit. Then wiping the table after eating is also a good habit, and banging the door, like hammering the door loudly, is a bad habit. So here you can see I have encircled the good habits and the bad habits, and I hope that this is helpful to you. Now let's read further. Healthy Kids Program in School. The True Life Healthy Kids Program began in primary schools yesterday with help from the Ministry of Public Health and the Ministry of Human Resource Development. So True Life Healthy Kid Program, it is an organization who tracks, who sees and keeps the data of how children manage their health, and with whose help do they do this? With the help of Ministry of Public Health and the Ministry of Human Resource Development. The goal of this program is to promote good eating habits and good health among school children in the age group of 8 to 12 years, and also among their parents and teachers. So it is not just about for kids but also for parents and teachers. During the inauguration is like udghatan, to do something new we do inauguration of the program, the Chief Health Officer spoke to the children about the importance of a balanced diet. Balanced diet means a diet which includes everything: fruits, vegetables, protein, vitamins, food items that include all the necessary elements to keep our body healthy. You must eat plenty of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. So this is what the minister who had come, he spoke, the Chief Health Officer spoke that you should eat fruits and vegetables to be healthy. Junk food is bad for you, so don't eat too much junk food like pizzas, potato chips, ice creams and colas. These foods contain a lot of sugar and fat. If you eat a lot of junk food and don't exercise, you will become unhealthy. Then you will fall ill. You won't be able to do your daily activities. So these are all the messages that the Chief Health Officer gives. Through such programs, True Life wants to make students, their families and their teachers aware of the habits of eating nutritious food. Nutritious food means the food that contains all the nutritious element, healthy food. The chief health officer also asks parents to spend a little time every day talking to the children about eating healthy food. So to teach students, it is not just a teacher's responsibility or a health officer's responsibility to give correct eating habit lessons to the children. It is also parents and teachers' responsibility to teach the children that what kind of food is good for their body. True Life plans to use cartoons and other fun activities to make children enjoy eating nutritious food. It is hoped that after watching these programs, children will give up junk food. So this was all the lesson was about, that to teach children that junk food is not good. Now during this lockdown, you see some of the kids have grown really fat because they do not play outdoors, they do not do healthy activities. Like when you come to school, you run, you play in the recess, and you do all the activities, you do yoga and exercise, everything, and that's why your body was healthy and slim. And now some children have grown fat. So what is the solution of this? Yes, that you should play more outdoor games, so that you have a good exercise. Playing outdoors is a very good exercise. Games like cricket, football, volleyball, all these games are very good for your body. So you should play those kind of games so that your body remains healthy. And do not eat junk food like vada pav and pizza, burger and oily food. You should avoid all these kind of food items. Eat fruits more. If you really want something sweet and enjoyable to have, then have fruits. The name of the program is Happy Kids Program or Healthy Kids Program? Yes, it's Healthy Kids Program. Then the chief officer told the children to eat more junk food or healthy food? Yes, healthy food. Then third is having no dash, water and eating junk food makes children unhealthy, or exercise and eating junk food makes the children unhealthy? Yes, having no exercise and eating junk food makes the children unhealthy. Then children fall ill if they eat too much of fruits and vegetables or junk food? Yes, you fall ill if you eat too much of junk food. And the last one is, the program is to help parents and teachers encourage children to eat healthy food, or the school principal to encourage the children to eat healthy food? Yes, right, the parents and teachers. Done? So this is what all the lesson is about: to avoid junk food, have good exercise daily. Even you know some of the yoga postures which we used to practice in school, so you should do yoga at home also, so that your body remains healthy. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I hope that you learn to practice exercise and to eat healthy food. And have a nice day, and God bless you all. Thank you.